What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of September 20th, 2024. My name is Justin. I'm a photographer and product adder.
And my name is Mason, and I'm an inventory specialist.
And this is a series where we go over the newsletter that gets released on Friday, go out into the studio, and show you that fabric in person. So without further ado, let us get started.
Next, we have the Friday bundle of the week, which is Starberry Favorites Fat Quarter Bundle, which is featuring the Starberry collection from Moda. There's patterns of rose florals, pine springs, song text, stardust, and polka dots in colors of red, green, stone, white, and black. So make sure to bring the magic of the season into your home this winter with Starberry Favorites Fat Quarter Bundle.
All right, next we have a fun collection from Riley Blake called 100 Aker Woods. This collection features the full collection yardage, 36-inch panels, fat quarter bundles, 10-inch stackers, 5-inch stackers, and my favorite day, panel quilt kits. This group is sort of inspired by Winnie the Pooh characters, so you have patterns such as bears, tigers, donkeys, kangaroos, rabbits, and owls, and pigs. So those are based off characters such as Pooh, Tigger, Eeyore, Conga, and Roo.
Did you ever watch Winnie the Pooh?
No.
It shows. You said Conga.
Is it not Conga?
It's Kanga.
So, okay. Inspired by characters such as Pooh, Tigger, Eeyore, Kanga, Roo, Rabbit, Owl, and Piglet. We then have mats, florals, honey hexes, and picnic plaids in colors of pink, green, blue, yellow, orange, and white. So be sure to sew up some very cute projects with 100 Aker Woods.
Do you understand why it's Kanga and Roo?
Kangaroo. Yeah, that makes sense.
Next, we have a Batiks collection for y'all from Banyan, which is the vintage Swirl Batiks. We have the full collection of yardage as well as fat quarter bundles. And the pattern is a stunning swirl pattern in colors such as Vineyard, Sherbet, Royal, Root Beer Flow, Midnight Sky, and more. Make sure to let your projects twirl with vintage Swirl Batiks from Banyan.
Next, we have a very cute collection for you guys called Cheerful Cheeks from Blank. This group features the full collection yardage, 24-inch panels, and the Fall Friends quilt kits. We have patterns such as woodland critters such as foxes, raccoons, porcupines, deer, and hedgehogs, as well as leaves, trees, berries, mushrooms, and pine cones. Ooh. In colors of rust, beige, taupe, gray, and black. Make sure to make yourself smile with Cheerful Cheeks.
Next, we have a packaged kit from Wyndham, which is the Batty Mantle Scarf packaged kit. This kit includes the bat fabric, the laser cut bats, the backing fabric, and a pattern. Perfect as a fireplace mantle, scarf, or a table runner. So make sure to get ready for the spooky season with the fantastic Batty Mantle Scarf Kit.
As always, we have a kit on sale. This is the Pale Glow Batik Quilt Kit using Banyan Scribbles Batiks. This kit is originally priced at $121.96. We have it on sale for $79.96. So be sure to unleash your inner artist with our Pale Glow Batik Quilt Kit.
All right, next we have a collection from Clothworks, which is Panda Party. We have the full collection of yardage, 36-inch panels, flannel, and the Better Together quilt kits. The patterns are adorable assortment of cute pandas holding hearts surrounded by florals in colors of pink, green, and white. So get your paws on Panda Party from Clothworks.
Next, we have our September release of Via Rosa patterns. Remember, these patterns are available as physical pattern cards as well as PDF downloads. We have new patterns such as Good as Gold, Pressed Leaf Snap Mat, Summer's End, Rome, Stuffing, and Pavers. So make sure to create your next masterpiece with our September release of Via Rosa patterns.
And as always, we have the bargains page for y'all to check out, which is our September bargains. So there's new items added daily, and that can be a variety of items from our storefront. That can be things such as remnants, kits, notions, fabric, who knows what else could be on there, but it does update every single day. So make sure to check our September bargains page and see what you can find on sale.
Last thing we have to talk about is our comment of the week. This is where we pull a comment from last week's episode to read on this week's episode. This can be from YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. This week we have Margaret Lavinia 4634. She says, "It's always fun to listen to you quote unquote speed talk through all the offers you have. It's easier to see when you review it. Thanks for taking the time to review items. Wish I could see your place, but it's way too far from Ohio." Ohio. Well, Margaret, we just want to say thank you for watching and commentating all the way from Ohio. We really appreciate. And you know what? You said you would like to see our space. Why don't we do a quick speed walk tour through the office?
Sounds good to me.
To start off, this is the room where we take all of our photography as well as record Friday finds. This is where we do our shipping. This is where we package everything and ship out to y'all. This area is our Notion area. And over on the right, we have our Friday bundles. Over on the left, we have our bolt specials. This is where we keep our bolts of fabric. There's Mason. Over here, we have Clint's area where he folds and stacks kits. Over on the right, we have our cutters. Over on the left, we have more bolts. There's Mason. In our bolt area, we have all of our bolts. We have manufacturers such as Art Gallery and over at the start, and we have Wyndham and Wilmington at the end, and all of the others in between. This is all of the rest of our Notions area. This is all of our kits. This is where we keep kits. Again, it's all organized alphabetically. There are more pre-cuts as well as patterns and more Notions.
And that's going to do it this week for this week's Friday Fabric Finds. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like. Make sure you subscribe as well, and make sure to ring that bell so you get notifications every single time we upload. Make sure to leave a comment so you might be featured on next week's comment of the week. Make sure to follow us on all of our social medias. The links will be down in the description. So make sure to see us next week for our next episode of Friday Fabric Finds. See ya.